everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for another Paletteful packs. Whoop whoop. This one is for December, and it did come quite a bit late. It just came like yesterday, which I think was the 9th. So yeah, it was kind of weird, but how long it took, but it's here now. So let's look inside, because I didn't look inside. It came, my mail comes really late, and it came late last night, and I was like, I'm tired. So let's see what's in the box. Shabam! Yeah, they didn't forget my wormies this time, and they're Christmas wormies, and there's little gold wormies, and oh my gosh, it's so cute! It's so cute! Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know what all this is, but it's paint, and I'm excited about that. So, yay! Yay! Okay, did they include the thing this time? Wow, there's a lot in here. Yay, Christmas! Okay, sorry, I'm trying to get the card out here. Okay. So, let's just pick everything up, and then I'll go into detail about it. How about that? Alright, so we got this chisel blender brush, and it's really pretty color, like this part, the handle's really pretty, and it's a 6, Robert Simmons. And then this, which is like a spray bottle, which surprisingly enough, I legit needed one of these. Oh god, I need to do it in camera. I legit needed one of these. I have this like spray bottle that used to have like a Febreze thing in it, but it still kind of like has the Febreze stuff in it, so it's not really good to use for art. So, wow. This is great. I could have bought one from like the dollar store, but hey, Paletteful Packs is looking out. Oh, there's another brush. Oh, this one doesn't have a little guy protecting it. Oh no. Well, there's another brush though. This is a 10 shader Princeton Art and Brush Co. Wow, there's so much. Yay! And golden paints, which are really good. I like golden fluid acrylics. I think it's, yeah, it's acrylic. Alright, so we got these colors that I'll go more into in a second. And then, okay, what is this? Panel. It's just a straight up panel. And it's flat, acrylic primed, ready to use. This is so cute. I love little squares. This is probably what I'm going to be doing this prompt on. Oh, and there's another little 5x5 cotton panel. So, that's useful. And there's this whole thing about, oh, let me put these like in view. Yay! There's like this fluid acrylics thing. And just talking about golden fluid acrylics. Ooh, and they have all the colors here. That's cool. I like that. I just like, it's so pretty. I like teal. It's a nice color. Alright, so let's dive into the descriptions. If you don't want to hear me read about descriptions, this is when you might peace out. So thanks for joining me, but man, I'm really sad that this doesn't have a little helper guy. But alright. Golden Fluid Acrylic, December 2019 Petite pack. I forgot to say this is Petite, but it'll say that in my title. So, okay, Golden Artist Colors Fluid Acrylics. These highly intense, permanent colors have a consistency similar to heavy cream. They are produced from light, fast pigments, not dyes. No fillers or extenders are added. Fluid acrylics contain high pigment levels. This box includes half-ounce bottles of benzimidazolene, yellow medium. Oh god, I can't say that. That's really bad. Phthalo blue, green shade, quinacridone magenta, and titanium white. And yeah, I don't know how to say words, so I might have pronounced this wrong. And the value is $16.37 for these. because they are kind of expensive paints. Alright, so then this Robert Simmons Expression brush. The sable-like mixture of these brushes allows for control in painting and has enough resilience to perform perfectly every time. Ooh. Expression brushes also feature a balanced handle to provide a comfortable grip and prevent fatigue through hours of painting. The smooth mixture of synthetic filaments make expression brushes ideal for acrylic paint. Robert Simmons brushes are guaranteed for life, just as they were when Robert Simmons introduced them in 1972. Awesome. And this is worth $10.25. And then this Princeton Real Value Synthetic Flat Golden Taklon brush that works excellently with acrylic paint, $3.15 for this brush. Those are the cheaper kinds. Okay, and then Ampersand Smooth Primed Artist Panel 4x4. These panels feature an ultra smooth finished surface that is great for oils, acrylics, and mixed media. A warp-resistant, non-flexible alternative to canvas. The panel is made of top quality eighth of an inch MDF, I don't know what that is, with a smooth acrylic coating. The surface allows for fine brushwork and palette knife painting. It is also perfect for mounting papers, prints, and canvas. The uncradled panels feature slots on the back for easy hanging. Oh, really? Doesn't look like it. But maybe. Art Alternatives Canvas Panel. Oh, this is $1.57. Art Alternatives Canvas Panel 5x5. This unique size of canvas panel is made with unbleached 3-ounce cotton, is primed with acid-free acrylic titanium gesso to a finished weight of 8 ounces, and wrapped around an acid-free recycled paperboard core. The panel is suitable for use with all acrylic paints, oil paints, and other wet or dry media. $1.95, I mean. I don't know why I said 7. And then a spray bottle provides a fine mist that can be used to keep your acrylics wet or to create a variety of effects. $3 for this spray bottle. Dang. They gave me a high quality spray bottle, alright. Alright, so that was the Paletteful packs, and the prompts are holiday, cozy, gift, and excitement. So those are very like holiday-y prompts, so that's nice. And yeah, so this is a very fun box. I like it, and I'm definitely going to be using these. Definitely the brush and the paints, and I'm excited to see what I will do. So I will see you guys then, and I hope you're having a great day. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my patrons: Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, Ashley, and Ezsithyn. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for all the support you give me always, and I love you guys. Alright, bye everyone. Have a good day.